So Nova, which has been one of my favorite Telegram trading bots for ages now, I've made many videos on them. They just today launched their public beta for their web app, and this thing is gonna take over. It's an incredible web app. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know and why I really like this web app so far. As I said, it is currently in public beta. I think the full public launch is in another week or two, but they have been kind enough to give me some access codes. Don't know exactly how many yet. Might be 5, might be 50, but I'll get a definitive answer before I post this video, and I will leave my link or some access code down below in the description and the comment section, and whoever uses them first will basically get access to the Nova beta. But let's take a look at this application, what makes it stand out. So this is what it looks like. This is their Cosmo page where you have all of the new creations about to graduate, as well as tokens that have already graduated. Everything on here is super customizable. You can obviously put any sort of filters on the analytics, but also where the tokens are launched from. You have your quick buy options up here, and you have your different settings for slippage and bribery fees, etc. up here. Plus you have something called Supernova, which basically is a mode that automatically optimizes your gas, bribes, slippage, and other settings to ensure you're always using the most effective configuration. This is the one I've been using, and this setting has made my transaction so quick. If we head down into the bottom right corner, you can also go to customize the Cosmo page right here and basically just configure it to your own liking. So you have rounded avatars or squared avatars. You can see them changing on the left hand side right here. Then you have the button sizes. I have extra large, but you also have small or quadruple extra large, makes the buttons massive. You have the font size for the actual stats of the tokens. You can make those massive or small. You have the colors if you want a different color scheme. You have the actual size of the avatars, and you can also make the actual social icons large or small as well. And then at the bottom of the page, you have their wallet tracker, which will pop up. You can pin it to the left, pin it to the right, wherever you want it. Obviously add tokens you want to track. You can lock it down in the corner, then it will look like this instead. Same thing goes with their Twitter tracker. This is what it looks like. You can move it around, pin it to the left hand side, pin it to the right hand side, or lock it down in the corner like this. And you can obviously add both Twitter and Truth Social accounts to customize this Twitter tracker to your own liking. You then have alerts for your recent trades. You also have a P&L tracker that will pop up that you can obviously customize to your own liking as well. And they have their sniper in the bottom left as well, which looks super cool. So you can snipe tokens migrating, just do add new task, snipe migration, basically enter whichever contract address or token name you do want to snipe. Once it migrates over to Radium, you put amount, you put slippage, and then just click on snipe, and it will do that automatically once it migrates. And you can also do this for new pairs, so you can snipe contract addresses or specific developer addresses, or just the ticker of the token. You can set up these settings to your own liking, obviously, then just click on snipe, and it will snipe any new pair with those specific parameters. When searching for tokens, they have OG mode, and you can also sort them by creation time, last trade, or market cap. So let's sort by market cap, open up Farcoin, and this is what the actual token page looks like. So everything is super quick, super responsive. You have your invested, remaining, sold, and P&L. At the top, you have all of the token details on the right hand side, which can also be customized in the bottom corner. Click on token page, and you can customize the token information part to your own liking. I prefer this one. You obviously have your instant trade option that you can also make as big or small as you want. You have your different presets, or the Supernova mode, which is the mode that I was using. As I said, if you want to quick buy this token, just click quick buy. Literally happens in half a second, probably even less than that. So quick. Then you have all of the trades, you have the holders, you have top traders. These are the people that have made the most money. If you hover over any of these addresses, it will show you all the details when it comes to this specific wallet has made from this specific token. You can obviously click on the address and start to track it as well, add specific emojis for each wallet. You then have dev tokens that the dev has previously launched, and you have my position right here. You can click share, and it will bring up this sick P&L image as well. You can change it if you want it to show SOL or USD value. You then have your wallet tracker where all of your tracked wallets will show up. Same with the monitor, which is the Twitter tracker. You can obviously add accounts like I said previously. then have all of your holdings. This is what it looks like. You can also do share to get the P&L tracker right here. It will obviously look better if the trade is actually in the green instead of in the red, but I literally just got access this morning, so I've just been playing around with the different features, etc. And then you have points, which is coming soon, because trust me when I say Nova has a lot of super big plans when it comes to this platform. I truly think this Nova web app is gonna take over the space when it comes to trading bots and become one of the absolute top ones, because I just know that they have so many plans, so many interactive ways that you can earn rewards and make extra money from this platform as well in the form of these points. I know that this is also just the first version of this web app and that they will continue to add new and improved features every single week moving forward. But so far, from just like testing out this bot for a day now, it's definitely one of the best bots on the market, and I can't wait to use it more moving forward and for the public launch to happen as well, so you can all try it. Now, as I said, I do have some access codes that I've gotten from the team. I will leave them all down below in the description and comment section. I will also be giving away some over on my Twitter and in my Telegram, so make sure you follow me on Twitter and join my Telegram as well. Basically, whoever uses the access codes first are the ones to get access. They will probably run out really quickly, so make sure you sign up. Now, with that said, I'm very curious to hear your honest thoughts and opinions on this new Nova web app. In my opinion, it looks great, but let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Make sure you smash a like and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos just like this. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.